Agile, Waterfall, Hybrid. Which one for your PMP scenario? Stop guessing. Learn to confidently pick the right approach for any PMP question with real-world examples and exam-winning strategies.
Let's simplify these crazy project methodologies with a quick baking analogy. Ready? Let's get cooking.
Waterfall is like a wedding cake, strict upfront planning. Agile is inventing a new cookie, taste testing small batches. And hybrid? That's your solid chocolate chip base, but the customer picks custom toppings right before baking.
You gotta memorize these trigger keywords. They are literally your cheat code for instant exam answers.
Okay, hot seat time. Fixed budget, detailed upfront scope for a manufacturing plan. What's your pick?
Nailed it. It's predictive or waterfall. Those stable requirements and fixed costs demand a superstructured approach.
Next up, a software team with evolving user needs, grabbing stakeholder feedback every 2 weeks. Which method?
Boom, it's Agile. That high uncertainty and need for continuous value delivery screams for a flexible approach.
Last one, and it's tricky. Integrating strict government compliance while developing a totally new mobile interface.
You guessed it, hybrid. It perfectly blends predictive compliance with the rapid agile flexibility needed for mobile.
Here's a quick cheat sheet on scope, flexibility, and delivery. Seriously, screenshot this. It's a lifesaver.
Now let's unlock the ultimate PMP exam cheat code. We're talking about the famous PMI mindset.
When you hit a tough scenario, pause, diagnose the actual root cause, then act collaboratively. Don't rush. Always tailor the approach to the project's context. Never just go with your personal favorite method.
So, ready to stop guessing and actually start leading? Apply this mindset and go conquer that exam.
Over 1 million learners use ABC e-learning apps to pass IT exams. Find us in the bio.